I want to move on, talk about some stocks of the day. ASML is one of them because chips are going to be an interesting place to watch the day after they missed. Stock getting hit pretty good, down 8%. Weiss, you own it.
I do.
You trimmed it earlier today?
I did. It just seemed to me that in pre-market it was looking down like 46 bucks, which was about 4.8%. It seemed to me that underestimated the decline. So I trimmed a little bit.
You cut your losses on it.
A week ago. I mean, the street overall was looking for a miss this quarter. But we got more than a miss. I didn't expect a miss of this magnitude. So I thought it would trade lower. Look, if you take a look, even though they beat the bottom line, the miss for the guidance for the second quarter is pretty stark. It's pretty aggressive. Now, here's what I think. In a normal market down here, I'd probably take a look at it and maybe nibble on it, but not now with the market environment. They confirmed. If you think about the company, right, there's a long lead time to their book of business. What they make, what they sell to semiconductors, their machinery is the size of a bus. So that doesn't manufacture overnight. It's not like clothing, it's not like food. So the point of it is, when they come out and they tell you that they're maintaining the guidance for the year, that means they'll be delivering a lot more, shipping a lot more in the third quarter and fourth quarter. So I do think you'll see it come back. They are critical to AI. They are critical to chips. And they're the only ones that do what they do with lithography and with their EUV, their extreme ultraviolet technology, which is new. So I'm confident in the company still. But in this market, it's not bouncing back anytime soon. It's a show me story now.
So what does it make you think about Taiwan Semi, which reports tomorrow?
Taiwan Semi is less of a mystery because they tell you how they're doing throughout the year. You can look at monthly numbers. Look, I'm concerned about every company that's reporting this environment because there's no parachute on the downside. But Taiwan Semi, which is and was a larger position than ASML, I'm comfortable with it.
I mean, it's down today. Nvidia is down today, even though it gets a positive mention. Joe at Morgan Stanley, $1,000 reiterated as a price target. Stock was in correction. It rallied back, down 22 bucks. Though today. What do I need to think about the chips right now?
Nvidia is in correction territory, very clearly.
Yep.
Now, we all know the fundamental strength that this company has, but I'll tell you this. The earnings report is going to be very important. It's going to be important because what's happening is this dynamic that as Nvidia moves lower, the algorithmic quantitative funds that only focus on price, it just avalanches. And there's a snowball effect of more and more selling as price goes lower, and that's exactly what's going on right now. So you need something to push up against that, and I think it's ultimately earnings that have to step forward and be that positive catalyst if anything's going to be. So there's a little bit more pressure, I think, on this earnings report for Nvidia to really deliver the type of earnings that they've delivered in the past.